Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The practical way which today is pregnancy diagnostic test. There are two categories, biological tests, but we will not perform these because they are time consuming and expensive. And then the second category is immunological test, and we will be performing the latest agglutination inhibition test or Gram-Index test. The principle of this test is that the human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG, which is contained in the urine, is agglutinated by the antibodies which are present in the latex. The precautions are that the collection of fresh urine should be there. First morning sample urine should be preferred. The reagent should be at room temperature, and drops of urine, reagent and control should be of equal size. Use separate stirrers each time and don't interchange the caps of bottles. First we take this pregnancy slide and we mark one end positive and other negative, and for the urine sample we mark it S. We have to bring the urine and the reagents to room temperature, which we have already done, and then we put a drop of negative control in the circle where we have written negative, and then we put a drop of positive control where we have written positive, and then we put a drop of urine in the middle where we have written S. S means sample. Now we add the reagent, the latex reagent, into all three. A drop of latex agent into all the three, the sample and the positive control and the negative control. And now we wait for 2 minutes to see whether the agglutination occurs. The 2 minutes have passed. With the help of the stirrer, we have to mix the reagent and the latex. So here we can see agglutination. Here we also see agglutination in the positive control. So it means that our pregnancy test of the given urine sample is positive. There is no agglutination in the negative, where we have mixed the negative control with the urine sample. The result of our practical showed that there was agglutination in the positive control after 2 minutes, and in the urine sample also agglutination after 2 minutes, and in the negative control there was no agglutination after 2 minutes. It means that our test, this agglutination of urine sample in the urine sample shows that our test, pregnancy test which we performed, was positive. And so the result is pregnancy test for the given urine sample is positive, and this you have to write in your notebook.